Hello, welcome to the Introduction to Deep Learning. In this course, we will explore how machines learn from data, a technology that is behind many of today's smart systems. Whether you are a student, a teacher, or a tech enthusiast, this course will help you build a strong foundation. Coming to the course details, I am Vincy Abraham, the course coordinator, and the host university is Mahatma Gandhi University, Kottayam. And the duration of the course is 12 weeks, and the course has 3 credits, and the grading scheme is assignment and written exams. Coming to course objectives, first objective is to introduce learners to the fundamental concepts and techniques of deep learning. Second objective is to make learners able to apply deep learning methods to solve real world problems. And this is the course outline from week 1 to week 12. And in week 1, you have the history and introduction to ML. And at the end of week 12, you will be able to do some implementation or practical problems you'll be able to handle. To understand deep learning, we need to see where it fits in the bigger picture. At the broadest level, we have artificial intelligence or AI, the science of making machines think and act like humans. Within AI, we have machine learning, where machines learn patterns from data and improve over time without being explicitly programmed. At the core of that is deep learning, a subset of machine learning that uses structures inspired by the human brain called neural networks, especially with many layers, hence the word deep. So deep learning is a part of machine learning and machine learning is a part of AI. Each level becomes more specialized as we go deeper. Let's see the applications of deep learning. Deep learning is all around us, powering voice assistants like Alexa, helping doctors detect diseases from medical images, enabling real-time language translation, and even driving autonomous cars. And the list goes on. To understand deep learning well, we first revisit some key mathematical concepts like linear algebra, calculus, and probability. These are the building blocks that help us design and train deep learning models effectively. A neural network is made up of layers of nodes or neurons. It processes data through these layers, learning important features step by step. You will see how forward propagation, activation functions, and back propagation comes together to train these networks. Here you can see two figures. On the left, we see a multi-layer neural network or a deep neural network with layers of interconnected nodes. Each layer extracts features. The first might detect edges, the next shapes, and the deeper layers recognize patterns like feathers or wings. On the right bottom, you can see a picture where a bird is recognized by this particular network. This shows how deep learning models can learn to identify complex objects by processing raw data step by step. This is what makes deep learning so powerful for tasks like image classification. Now that you have got an overview of deep learning, it's time to dive in. In this course, we will explore how deep learning works from basic concepts to building and training real models. Whether you are new to AI or looking to strengthen your understanding, this journey will help you build the foundations needed to apply deep learning in real-world applications. So let's get started and unlock the power of deep learning together. As you saw, deep learning is a powerful branch of artificial intelligence that helps machines learn from data, recognize patterns, and even make decisions, often beyond what we thought was possible. In this course, we will take you step by step from the basics of machine learning to the mathematical foundations and finally into the core concepts and structures of deep learning. So get ready to explore, experiment, and most importantly, learn by doing. Let's begin our deep learning journey together. Thank you.